Welcome to Ultima Dental Systems instructional video on foot control repair kit installation. First, unplug the unit from its power source. Next, remove all pressure from the dental unit. Remove the 4 silver screws on the bottom of the foot control. Carefully remove silver dome from foot control. Now, remove the foot control spring and push valve. Turn foot control over and remove the 2 mounting screws from the bottom middle of the foot control. You can now remove the foot control block. Carefully remove the 2 internal valves and 2 O-rings. You may use a small, flat screwdriver to get everything out. Now, insert one of the replacement O-rings, followed by one of the existing valves. Do this one more time with the second O-ring and valve. Remove large O-ring on bottom of block and replace with the one provided in the kit. Now, reattach foot control block with the 2 screws from the bottom middle of the foot control. Turning the foot control over, you may now reinsert the foot control push valve. After you have reinserted the push valve, you want to push on it and make sure it springs back up. Once the push valve has been reinserted and tested, replace the outer silver dome and turn the foot control over to reattach the 4 mounting screws from the bottom. You have now successfully completed the foot control repair kit installation. Connect the unit, wait for the unit to build pressure, then test the foot control.